In some motorcycles, you will see such a split seat like that, and in some motorcycles, you will see such an equal seat like that. But what is the reason behind giving such different seats in motorcycles? Many think it is given for the style or design of the motorcycle, but it is totally wrong. There is another reason behind it. Means the split seat may enhance the beauty of the motorcycle, but it is not given to enhance the beauty of the motorcycle. There is another reason behind giving it. So friends, in today's video, we are going to know 2 unknown facts about motorcycles which maybe very few of you know. So be sure to watch the entire video, and if you love learning about bikes and engines, make sure to subscribe the channel, because this channel is made for future pro riders like you. So without further ado, let's start the video. Fact number 1. Aerodynamic design. You will notice on naked motorcycles that the speedometer and headlight are connected to the handlebars of the motorcycle. But on sport motorcycles, the handlebars is separated from the speedometer and headlight. So there are basically 2 reasons behind this. Number 1, you must have noticed that when you ride a motorcycle at a high speed, then the wind coming from the front hits your body very much and reduces the speed of your motorcycle to some extent. So since the sports motorcycles are made for high speeds, as a result, aerodynamic designs are used in these motorcycles. And because of this aerodynamics design, the motorcycle can move forward very easily through the wind. To create this kind of aerodynamics motorcycle, the handlebars of sport bikes are kept within the body of it. Number 2, when a motorcycle is made to go at a very high speed, then its handle also plays a very important role. So for better handling in sport bikes, the speedometer and headlight are separated from the handlebar. This makes the handle lighter and provides better handling at high speeds. For these 2 reasons, sport bikes' handlebars are crafted in this way. Fact number 2, split seat. You must have seen motorcycle with equal seat and split seat. Since looking at the equal seat on a motorcycle, it can be understood that these are normal seats. But why is such a split seat used in some motorcycles? What is the reason behind it? If you think about comfort, then the equal seat motorcycles offer more comfort compared to split seat. But why do some companies use such split seats on motorcycles? Many people think that it is given for the design of the motorcycle. But no friend, there is another reason behind it. So friends, let's find out the real reason for giving a split seat to a motorcycle. The split seat is typically provided on motorcycles that can reach high speeds in a very short time. It means split seat is used in motorcycles with more cc and more speed. As these motorcycles can accelerate at a high speeds in a short amount of time, so while accelerating quickly, sometimes the front wheel of the motorcycle may rise up, means the front wheel can become slightly wheelie. So when the front wheel goes up, your body weight shifts back and the groove in the middle of the split seat helps prevent you from falling down. But if equal seats were used here, then you would have more chances of falling down. For this reason, the company uses such split seats in high-speed motorcycles. Although split seats are now being used in lower cc motorcycles as well, but it is only to give a sporty look to the motorcycle. However, ultimately split seat is used exclusively in high cc motorcycles. So friends, I hope you enjoy the video, and to watch another one like that, click on this video, because through this video, you can know how the multi-cylinder engine works in a vehicle.